Guys, I am going to study English newspaper. I am going to read English newspaper. Apps Manish Sisodia offers prayers at Ganesh Puja Pandal in Padpanganj area. Former Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi and Aam Admi Party leader Manish Sisodia on Thursday offered prayers at the Ganesh Puja Pandal in Delhi's Padpanganj area. In our society, Lord Ganesha is called Ganpati. I work on education. I pray to Ganpati everywhere that every child of Delhi and the country gets a good education. I come here every year except last year I could not come, Sisodia told ANI. Manish Sisodia in a post on X wrote Vikram Tunda Tundaye Mahakaya Sarvakoti Samprabha. The glory of Lord Ganesha is limitless. Today in Padpanganj assembly, I participated in the worship in various Ganesh mandals and performed the Aarti of Ganpati Vighanharta Ganjanan. Lord Ganesha is the factor of auspiciousness and the god of wisdom and discretion. We pray to Bappa to provide happiness, peace, prosperity and wisdom to all the countrymen. Remove the obstacles of all the people. Earlier on Wednesday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi participated in the auspicious Ganesh Puja at the residence of Chief Justice of India, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. The Prime Minister prayed to Lord Ganesh to bless us all with happiness, prosperity and wonderful health. The CGI along with his wife Kalpana Das welcomed the PM at his residence, joined Ganesh Puja at the residence of CGI Justice D.Y. Chandrachud ji. May Bhagwan Sri Ganesh bless us all with happiness, prosperity and wonderful health. The PM also said in a post on X, Ganesh Chaturthi, a 10-day festival, will continue until Ananta Chaturdasi. This festival is also known as Vinayak Chaturthi or Vinayak Chavithi. During Ganesh Chaturthi, Lord Ganesh is worshipped as the god of new beginning and the remover of obstacles. Devotees across India and abroad celebrate Lord Ganesha's wisdom and intelligence. Homes and pandals are adorned with elaborate decorations and the air is filled with prayers, music and festive chants. The streets come alive with vibrant processions and traditional rituals as people prepare delicious offerings and visit the beautifully decorated pandals. Thank you guys for watching this. You should also try to make it, will also improve your English.